So you telling me I could walk in the snow in these?
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today we have a first. The Jordan 1 Gore-Tex. It's the first of its kind ever. And usually sailbone, any sneaker with sailbone in it doesn't get me. Like, I don't like that color at all. I don't even like saying that name, sailbone. But when they told me it had the Gore-Tex material, it's kind of winterized, I had to check it out, man. Like, I had to check it out. And these came out around the same time my new Fear Guard Essential things arrived. So here is the Heather Oak Medium Essential tee. Yes, sir. Yo, when Essentials come out, they come out with so many doggone colors and textures, and it sell out fast that you just be wanting to click. But really, my goal was to get something that reflects, you know, like the bike reflect, and I think I struck out. Well, that was the shirt, and these are the sweats. And the sweats here don't reflect neither. Let me look at the bottom. I don't know. Now let me know in the comment section below, y'all, that's more profound with the essential things. But yeah, those arrived just in time to rock with the latest Jordan 1 Gore-Tex sailbones. And it does have more gray on it than sailbone, so maybe I like it a little bit. If you've been following the channel, you know that I won these in a black colorway 2 weeks ago when it dropped on the sneakers app. And then all of a sudden, Nike refunded me $217. I think that was what it was. And I hit them up and they was like, oh yeah, it got lost in transit. Well, you know, whatever was their excuse. But we back. Sneakers win again. Sailbone Jordan 1 Gore-Tex. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. Your regular Jordan 1 box with a little Gore-Tex sticker right there. I'm not even going to get mad, Jordan brand. I'm not even going to get mad. Y'all wanted to keep the box regular. Hey, the little Gore-Tex sticker was dope. Could have been Gore-Tex at the top. You know what I mean? But, hey, it is what it is. One thing about this pair, when you flip open the lid, hold on, let me give y'all the swooshes. Boom, boom, boom. Quality control stamp, y'all see it. One thing about this pair here, it came individually wrapped, the sneaker, and it reminded me of the Air Jordan 1 High 85, the all-white pair. Y'all remember, I forget. Look in the archives. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it here. It reminded me of that pair, how that both sneakers were individually wrapped like this. So being that I already unwrapped the left shoe, let's start with that one. Voila. Here go your sailbone Jordan 1 Gore-Tex. And there's a lot of firsts to get to in this, so let's get into it. Let's start with, bam, the toe box. As you can see, the holes are not holes. They are constructed for snow and rain. Rain won't get in there. Snow won't get in there. It's weatherproof. That is dope. The only gripe I have is that it's white. If you're going to make a sneaker for the outdoor weathering, white won't get it done. That's just my opinion. This should have been black, but they did make a black pair, so I guess they wanted to give you choices. So yeah, look deep in that. As you can see, the holes are covered. I love that they still gave us the print, even though the holes are covered. That's dope. The outside is nubuck suede. Again, not for the outdoors, but this nubuck suede is smooth, guys. Listen. Smooth, man. And it's in that nice gray that saves the sneaker from a lot of that sailbone colorway. The bottom is your regular Jordan 1 rubber in a white colorway. It's regular. And that goes around. Now let's talk about another first. The inside. We all want that shattered backboard tumbledness. But here you have a canvas material. You hear that? It's canvas. Your feet would definitely be warm. No tumbleness, but your feet will be warm. The swoosh is not rubber. Is not popped out. It's more just fitting in with the sneaker. It's not a 3D look for the swoosh. It's more like looks painted on. It does come out a little bit, but it's more like a painted on, and that's in black. Here go your branding, Gore-Tex right there. Dope look, man. I like that branding. Very subtle, but it's there. Here go your sailbone colorway more in the back. That's in a nubuck. When you get to the top, that's leather. Soft leather too. And that's all the way around. And that does have tumbleness. It peeks out right there too. It has a leather look, but guys, if you ever get these in hand, the feel feels like soft, man. This is real soft leather. Okay. Shoestrings. They come in black shoestrings. We're going to pull a right pair out to see if they come with another pair. But first you get to your Gore-Tex hang tag there. Guaranteed to keep you dry. It says that in Spanish also. For my Spanish people out there. Guaranteed to keep you dry. Black shoestrings. The tongue is a little different. I feel like it should have said Gore-Tex on the tongue too. But Nike Air logo there. And let's see what these words say. Oh, basically the back of the tongue where you get all those words peeked out to the front. I guess that's dope. I mean, let me know how y'all feel about that in the comment section. The inside, of course, is more of a thick cotton, borderline wool. So your feet definitely will be dry and definitely be warm. I found this ironic. It didn't come with a shoe tree. It just came with some paper balled up. But the inside says you have your black soles with a white Nike Air logo. And as y'all can see the thickness of the wool around it. Also on the Jordan 1, you usually have the shoe sizing all the way on the side of the tongue. Right here we have it right there. The sizing is right there on the ankle support. The bottom I think is so dope. You have like the translucent mixed with the black. Looks like a cow look a little bit. Almost like the bottom of the Chunky Dunkies. Very dope, man. I mean, no one sees the bottom, but attention to detail like that is very dope. Here is the right shoe. And no, we do not get another set of shoestrings, guys. One set of shoestrings. For $217, I'm not even mad because the materials on this sneaker is really meant for the outdoors. I didn't get to show y'all the tongue has some thickness to it. A lot of thickness to it. It's not like your regular Jordan 1. There's more thickness in this tongue here. And your ear wing logo completes it at the top. Black, little bit of puffed out. Gore-Tex logo again. And this has to be my favorite of the shoe. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these sneakers. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I hate the winter time, man. I'm almost like done with the winter time. But I like how Jordan brand is coming out with more ways to keep the Jordan 1 a lot of people's favorite sneaker. It's definitely my favorite Jordan. In the comment section below, let me know what's your favorite Jordan. For me, it used to be the 3s, but I think the 1 trumped that in my opinion. At one point, it was the 11s too, but 1s outdid it, man. Everyone who does a collab always go Jordan 1 first. And I think it's because it's the first Jordan, and it's became my favorite. I want to know in the comment section below what's your favorite Jordan silhouette. But this right here, these ain't bad. I wish that my black pair came so I can compare the two, because I hate sailbone, man. But this is a pretty sneaker. I think it's the heather gray around it that points this sneaker out in the right direction. Gore-Tex is definitely a dope collab match. You know Gore-Tex does something with Supreme every season. And yeah, man, I like it, man. Like I told y'all, my favorite is the toe box. That toe box is dope. I just wish it wasn't white. Your feet is definitely going to be dry. And definitely be warm in this sneaker, man. Again, I want to hear from y'all about how y'all feel about these. Did y'all cop? I only seen them on sneakers. I didn't see them nowhere else. I know I did the raffle on this pair and the black pair on sneakers and stuff, and it's been saying delayed since. I haven't went back and checked, but I think sneakers was really like the only place to get these, man. Let me know in the comment section below again how y'all feel. I'm looking, no glue stains. Sneakers is legit, man. It's a good pair. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.